Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another polygel set. This is by 𝚐𝚐 as well. It includes 2 glow-in-the-dark polygels, 2 temperature change, and 2 super sparkling polygels. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside. So it includes 6 tubes of polygel. All of them have 30 grams each, which is such a good amount. It also includes an instruction manual, dual forms, and it also includes some AB rhinestones, a 100x180 grit file, caviar beads, glitter, so this is Gemini and Virgo, and these are the glow in the dark. Then here we have the two super sparkling ones, or the sparkling ones, which is Radiance and Sparkly. Then lastly we have the temperature change, which is the one Drusilla and Ambrosia. Okay, so now that we have them all set here, now I'm gonna go ahead and just do some swatching for you guys really quick. So first we're gonna go ahead and start by doing the temperature change, which is the Drusilla and the Ambrosia. So now we're simply going to go ahead and start by prepping our nails. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and just pretty much grab my cuticle pusher. And all we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and gently push back the cuticle. So now once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and just grab my nail clippers, and I'm just going to go ahead and just trim my nails down to the size that I want because they are getting way too long. After that, I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much use my file to pretty much perfect the shape of my nail. After that, I'm going to go ahead and just grab the end of my cuticle pusher, and I'm simply going to go ahead and just scrape all of that dead skin off of my nail. Using this cuticle bit, I'm just going to go ahead and go around my cuticle area, try to get the closest to there. And this is not hard at all. You just pretty much have to be very gentle. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove any of that cuticle we have there, because we have a lot of that. And I only let my nails for a week grow out, and this is how they got. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and right after that we'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks after doing all of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just dust off the dust and everything like that we have there. Now I'm simply going to go ahead and just pretty much be adding dehydrator all over my nails. Okay, so this is what we have now. We're going to go ahead and add a second coat. Okay, so now that we've added our dehydrator, so these are the 4 polygels that I'm going to be using. Sparkly, Radiance, Gemini, and this is from Model 1's. This is Pure White 08. And we're going to go ahead and be using forms, so I'm going to just gently move this from here. And we want to also use this. So what I like to do is I like to just place this here. This is what we have so far. Now let's go ahead and just place this under here. And then we're going to go ahead and start by just pinching this. And now we're going to go ahead and add primer. So this is the primer that I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to go ahead and use base coat. This is the one I'm actually going to be using just because I like it. It has a very good, it works very good for me. So now I'm actually going to use a thin layer and I'm just going to add that all over the nail. I think I grabbed a little too much. And so I always like to start off by actually using the polygel right where the nail and the form meets, or the nail and the tip. This is what we have. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and just cure that for 30 seconds and then we'll be back. So we do have the glow in the dark effect, which is actually purple. Let me try to show you guys real fast before it goes away. So it does glow in the dark and it's actually purple. Okay, so this is what we have after. Now let's go ahead and remove this form here and look at that C curve. It's actually really good. This is what we have so far. We're obviously gonna seal the cuticle area. We're gonna file some of the sides here, which are a little bit whack, and we should be good to go. We're gonna grab the white polygel and we're gonna grab our color here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my thoughts and my honest opinion about this polygel kit. So overall, it was extremely easy to shape. It's super soft, but also it does not feel like, most people think that when you're using polygel, they're a little flimsy or thin. That has nothing to do with polygel at all. It all depends on how good you shape the nails and all of that. That is on that. They do last, for me at least, for 3 weeks or so or more. Sometimes the first set I think I did lasted me a week. The second set lasted me, I can't remember, but my third set, which was for my birthday, which was in January, lasted me for about a whole month, which was insane. And yeah, anywho, it is also non-sticky. It gives a very good amount of polygel in the tubes. It gives you 30 grams, so that should be more than enough, especially because a little goes a long way. So with this polygel, you have everything you need. It is super beginner friendly, so I definitely recommend, if you are starting off doing nails, I definitely recommend you go for polygel. And this is just a great starter kit because it mostly includes everything you have besides a UV/LED lamp, but don't need to worry about that. Just go ahead and go to Amazon and buy one, but always make sure it's a 48 watt or higher. Just so you know, I have one that costed me around $12 or so, and it is 48 watt. But yeah, it's a very good lamp that I have. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to purchase that. I don't know if it's going to be available because a lot of stuff are gone. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I give this kit a 10 out of 10 just because it's absolutely amazing. Definitely recommend. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the video, and I'll just go ahead and leave because I feel like I'm talking so much. And yeah, bye.
Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Then she got a family of her own. It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be.
Okay, so once I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some alcohol, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray for about 2 times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a lint-free wipe and remove that ugly tack layer we have.
Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so rainbow.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and just pretty much file my nails and perfect the shape and all of that, and we're just gonna remove any bulk we have or anything like that, and we're just gonna go ahead and even out the straight edge to make it good. Also, now I'm gonna go ahead and just seal the cuticle using a cuticle bit. This is actually one of my favorite things that I love, so yeah, definitely recommend you guys always seal the cuticle. That will prevent any lifting or anything like that occurring, because we don't want any mold under our nails, or we don't want any greenies. Okay, now I'm gonna grab, I think this is either a medium grit or coarse, and I'm just gonna remove a lot of bulk. Since most of the nails do have bulk, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and that's all we're pretty much doing here. Now using my buffer, I'm gonna go ahead and buff the nails, and that's all we're gonna do here pretty much. And I'm sorry if I sound super repetitive. Actually, I'm not that good at explaining things, probably why I didn't talk through most of the video. But yeah, once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my brush and remove all that dust. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray a hook again and grab a lint-free wipe and just remove any of that dust, because we don't want that to interfere when we're adding top coat. So yeah, this is how they look now. Hopefully you guys think they look okay. This is my 4th set doing, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Model 1's top coat, or I don't know if I use my XXC one. Point is, I grabbed top coat and I just went ahead and added it to all the nails. Then I went ahead and cured it for about 30 to 60 seconds. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this foil glue, which is by XXC Cosmetics as well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this rose foil, which I got off of AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below to everything that I'm using, just so if you guys want to get it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pretty much add a good amount of the foil glue onto the white nail. And we're just gonna go ahead and cure this for about 30 to 60 seconds, although I find it works better if I cured it under 30 seconds rather than 60. So just an FYI for you guys. This was my first time using foil. I kind of struggled with it at the beginning, but then I eventually got it. And here I'm just pressing it down towards the nail using just pretty much my finger. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I went ahead and just peeled that off, and it did not look okay, so I went ahead and put it back on there again, just so we can pretty much get a really good amount of the foil on there. Now I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and grab some top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add that all over on top of the foil pretty much, and cure it for 30 seconds just so we can get that foil set and ready to go. Okay, so now these are the rhinestones that I'm gonna go to be using, and this is pretty much a UV glue, and this works really good to secure the rhinestones. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys go and get this. And now here I'm just gonna go ahead and add some top coat. I am using the XXC top coat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and adhere the rhinestones on there. And yeah, that's all we're gonna do. But after that, we're gonna go ahead and cure them. Okay, so this is how they turned out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing to this nail. But the only thing is that I'm only gonna add one rhinestone on this one. Okay, so this is how they look now. Now grabbing this UV glue gel or whatever it is, I got it off of AliExpress, but it works extremely great for rhinestones or anything like that, or jewels you want to put on your nails. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that all over the corners, anywhere around the rhinestone, just to adhere that very good and so they're greatly secured. After that, I'm going to go ahead and just cure it in my lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. We are almost done, but not yet, and this is how they look. They look absolutely super cute. These are actually very short compared to what I usually like. Anywho, now I'm gonna grab this cuticle oil, cuticle pen. I'm just gonna add that all over my cuticles just because we worked on them for such a long time. I'm just gonna rub that in. And yeah, this is how they turned out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want anything else for me to do for you guys. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys found this video fun and entertaining. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and click the bell button to never miss out on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay safe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.